The first thing you want to do is drizzle your mason jar with chocolate sauce. Then fill your jar with ice. Fill a quarter of the jar with milk of choice. For this video, I use semi-skimmed milk, but almond milk is a perfect choice for vegans. Grab a separate cup and place 2 tablespoons of ground coffee and sugar. Then add a bit of water. Stir until the mixture is frothy. Stir, stir, stir! Pour into jar. Fill the rest of the jar with the remaining milk. Stir the mixture. And there you have it, easy peasy, iced coffee made at home. Thanks for watching, love naturally.